It's about innovation, but you're also going to talk about the risk for our supply chains, because you're going to talk about 3D printing. Because our next speaker will be Abdulrahman Monayes. He's with Equate. He's the program leader for innovation within Equate to build on their strategies and their vision for the future. And he has helped to gain more value for the organizations with his ideas by providing a platform for support for idea generators and to help the employees to propose these ideas and implement it easily into the Equate organization. We've spoken a lot about 3D printing. I think very few people actually know what it's about. We talked about the risk of what our supply chains look like in the future. Personally, as a storage provider, I'm very curious to know what risk we will be facing in the future. But personally, I'm also very curious how you're going to print this pizza. So please come up on the stage and explain us about this new world of 3D printing.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Abdulrahman Monayes from Petrochemical company. First of all, I'd like to thank GPCA, Mr. Sadoun, Mr. Shamsi, Mr. Mohammed Hussein, and Fawaz Shah, the GPCA Supply Chain Committee for having such a great opportunity for us to exchange information and to leverage knowledge. I'll talk about 3D printing and its impact on supply chain